I get so confused when people use either and neither.
It is a very tricky topic for many English learners today.
I never know which one to pick in a conversation.
Today, we will master them without any boring grammar books.
Really? How can I learn them without the grammar rules?
We just need to focus on your positive and negative choices.
Positive and negative choices. That sounds very easy to remember.
Yes, it is all about how many things you actually want.
Okay, I am ready to learn the secret right now.
Imagine you are looking at a menu in a nice cafe.
Okay, I see coffee and tea on the menu right now.
Exactly. Let us talk about making a positive choice first.
So, I want to drink one of those two nice things.
Yes, we use the word either for a positive choice.
How do I use either in a real English sentence?
You just need its best friend, the tiny word or.
Mia, I keep saying neither coffee or tea.
Don't worry, the double rejection rule makes pairs easy.
Oh, wow. Seeing the matching pairs makes perfect sense.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
The word either always goes with the word or?
Yes, they work together to give you one good choice.
Can you give me an example with coffee and tea?
You can say, I want either coffee or hot tea.
I want either coffee or hot tea. That sounds nice.
It means you are happy with just one of them.
What if we want to go somewhere on the weekend?
You say, we can go either to the park or cinema.
We can go either to the park or the cinema.
Perfect. You just made a polite and natural positive choice.
Can I use this for the past and the future?
Absolutely. Yesterday, I ate either a pizza or some pasta.
Wow, it is just about picking one out of two.
Spot on. But what if you hate both of them?
If I hate both, do I still use the word either?
No. For zero choices, we must use the word neither.
How do I use neither to reject both bad choices?
It needs a new best friend. It pairs with nor.
So neither pairs with nor instead of the word or.
Exactly. It means not this one and not that one.
I want neither coffee or hot tea today. Is that right?
Almost. Remember to use nor. I want neither coffee nor tea.
Oh, I want neither coffee nor tea. I understand now.
It means you reject both drinks completely. Zero choices made.
What if I do not like two specific bad fruits?
You say, I like neither green apples nor yellow bananas.
I like neither green apples nor yellow bananas at all.
Perfect. You use the double rejection like a true native.
This is incredibly useful for refusing things in daily life.
It really is, but there is one more special trick.
What is the special trick for these two magic words?
We can use them to agree with the negative sentence.
How do I agree with someone in a negative way?
Imagine your friend says, I do not like rainy days.
I hate rain too. Do I say me too?
No, because their sentence is negative, you cannot say that.
Oh no, so how do I agree with them correctly?
You simply say the phrase, me neither. It is perfect.
Me neither. That is so short and easy to say.
You can also say, neither do I. It means the same.
Let us test this out right now. Say something negative.
Okay, I do not like watching scary horror movies at all.
Me neither. Or I can say, neither do I.
Exactly. You just agreed with my negative statement perfectly.
Can I use either to agree with negative sentences too?
Yes, you can say, I do not like horror movies either.
I do not like horror movies either. That sounds natural.
You are officially a master of positive and negative choices.
I am ready to test my brain in the error lab.
Let us begin. I will speak some bad English sentences.
Okay, bring on the bad English for me today.
Sentence 1. I want neither coffee or hot tea today.
That is wrong. You must say neither coffee nor tea.
Perfect correction. Sentence 2. I want either pizza nor pasta.
The word either needs or. Say either pizza or pasta.
Excellent. Sentence 3. I do not like the rain too.
For negative agreement, you must simply say me neither instead.
Spot on. Sentence 4. Me too. I hate horror movies.
You are agreeing negatively. You must say neither do I.
Let us do one more. I do not like neither.
You have a double negative. Say I do not like either.
You fixed every mistake perfectly without any boring grammar rules.
I will never mix up either and neither again.
You are officially an expert at making choices in English.
Now it is time to practice speaking out loud.
We will do our shadowing practice together today.
Listen carefully and repeat the words after us.
Sentence number 1 is for a positive choice.
You can have either hot tea or coffee.
You can have either hot tea or coffee.
You can have either hot tea or coffee.
Sentence number 2 is for a double rejection.
I like neither green apples nor yellow bananas.
I like neither green apples nor yellow bananas.
I like neither green apples nor yellow bananas.
Sentence number 3 is for the past tense.
Yesterday, I ate either a pizza or some pasta.
Yesterday, I ate either a pizza or some pasta.
Yesterday, I ate either a pizza or some pasta.
Sentence number 4 is for a negative agreement.
I do not like scary horror movies either.
I do not like scary horror movies either.
I do not like scary horror movies either.
Sentence number 5 is for a third-person rejection.
My best friend likes neither coffee nor hot tea.
My best friend likes neither coffee nor hot tea.
My best friend likes neither coffee nor hot tea.
Sentence number 6 is for a future choice.
Tomorrow we can go either to the park or cinema.
Tomorrow we can go either to the park or cinema.
Tomorrow we can go either to the park or cinema.
You did a fantastic job practicing today.
We learned so much today. Let me summarize the rules.
Go ahead. Show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
We use either or when we make a positive choice.
Correct. And what is the special job of neither nor?
It means we do not like and reject both choices.
Perfect. And how do we agree with a negative sentence?
We can say, me neither, or neither do I.
Exactly. You can also say, I do not like either.
I will never mix these tricky words in conversations again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
Yes, we have a fun homework challenge for you today.
Write 2 sentences about your food choices in the comments.
Use either or and neither nor in your comment today.
We read every single comment, so show us your skills.
Hit subscribe and like the video to support our channel.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.